Hello guys, welcome back to my YouTube channel. So guys, in this video I will show you how to fix WhatsApp contact names not showing in iPhone. So guys, if you are using iPhone or iPad and when you try to open your contacts in your WhatsApp and you will see that names are not showing. I will help you how can you fix it. So guys, you can very easily fix it. First of all, open your settings and from here scroll it below, and here you can see the option of apps. Click on it, and guys, now you need to open WhatsApp here. So guys, as you will see, open your WhatsApp here, and now you will see multiple options here. The first one option is contacts. Click on it, and guys, you need to allow full access of your contact list. And guys, as you can see, if selected none, then you need to select full access, and here you need to allow full access. And guys, after this you will be able to show all the names on your contacts in WhatsApp. And guys, if this method is not working for you, no need to worry. Open your app store, and here you need to search WhatsApp. And guys, you need to check for software update, and you need to update your WhatsApp to latest iOS version. And now guys, you need to go back, and guys, after this open your settings again, click on general and click on iPhone storage. And after this you need to open your WhatsApp, and you need to upload your app, and after doing upload you need to reinstall it again. And after doing all these settings, your problem will be fixed, and you will be able to show all the contacts name in your WhatsApp. So guys, hope you like this video. If you like this video, please do subscribe my channel. Thank you.